Greetings, my lovely YouTubers out there. Thanks again for watching. Once again, this is Mr. James Perez. Perez? Yes, Mr. James Perez. This subject is babies. Babies? Babies? Nice, they're lovable, they're huggable, you know, they poop a lot, they crap a lot, they pee a lot. Now the worst thing you ever want to do when you change the baby's diaper is don't let them pee on you. Babies? So right now I kind of figured, you know, might as well hold it for a bit. God, you smells like shit. Check it out. I'm a MILF with the diaper on my head. One thing you should do is potty train your baby as soon as possible. You are a human being. I'm getting tired of changing your diaper. Why don't you go use the toilet? He told me. Now let's hear from people outside of this world about their opinions about potty training their baby at 5 months.
Well, I think it's a perfect idea, you know, because us women, we get tired of changing diapers. Seriously, like we end up getting pee on ourselves on our juicy breasts after we give them suitable milk. You know, there's going to be a time where they're going to have to feed themselves. As you can see, my son is crying right now.
Okay, now this lady, I appreciate you, what you're telling me about your son. Son. Oh, sorry. Who do you think you are, man? Being a damn DC bit machine. Now, let's take a good word from the Chola angel baby. The one that goes that I make up the toy, you know, like that, like this. But anyways, here's a picture of what she looked like before and after. It's not my name. Oh my God, now you check this out. You God damn, what the fuck? How much did American Idol should pay for that implants? For all those queers. Chancludo.
I'm a better chola than you. You got donuts?
What the fuck did this fat bitch get on my YouTube? Anyways, about this situation going on between babies. Babies? I got it. Fuck, no I don't. Never mind. Where's the fucking hell? Again, I want to thank you guys for subscribing to my YouTube. You know, y'all been the greatest fan ever. Hope you guys like this video. You know, give it a rate, give it a comment, give it a subscribe. You know, as of now, I'm out here. Thanks again for hitting me up. This is Mr. James Perez. Peace. I salute you. Hey, fuck off. Come on. Just playing. Y'all niggas did something random, so if y'all like to subscribe.